We separate high-quality tomatoes for processing.
Drying prepares tomatoes for processing. And then
tomatoes are transformed into pulp for sauce production. This is the start of tomato sauce production.
Proper soil preparation ensures healthy tomato growth and maximum productivity.
We plant selected seedlings to ensure strong and uniform growth.
Advanced irrigation systems control water distribution efficiently.
This is where high-quality tomatoes are grown using modern agricultural techniques. We monitor plant health using smart technology.
This stage shows the tomatoes reaching full maturity.
We protect crops using safe and controlled methods.
Tomatoes are harvested carefully to maintain quality.
We separate high-quality tomatoes for processing.
Tomatoes are transported quickly to preserve freshness.
we ensure fast and safe delivery to the factory.
Welcome to the tomato processing facility.
Automation improves efficiency and speed.
We check quality before processing begins. Cleaning removes dirt and impurities completely. Multiple cleaning stages ensure hygiene.
Drying prepares tomatoes for processing. And then
Only perfect tomatoes continue to processing. Tomatoes are transformed into pulp for sauce production. This is the start of tomato sauce production.
the pulp is heated to begin the sauce production process.
Continuous mixing ensures smooth and consistent texture.
Under the unwanted materials are removed for a refined product.
Filtering improves smoothness and purity. We concentrate the sauce to achieve the desired thickness.
Ingredients are added in precise amounts for perfect taste.
This ensures uniform flavor and texture.
We test quality to meet strict standards.
Sterilization ensures long shelf life and safety.
The sauce is cooled before packaging.
Precision filling ensures equal quantity in every bottle.
Proper sealing protects the product.
Each bottle is labeled for identification.
Automation ensures fast and efficient packaging.
Final inspection guarantees quality.
Products are stored before distribution.
Products are now ready for market delivery.
We deliver fresh products to consumers quickly.
I am incredibly proud of what we've accomplished here. This factory represents the future of our company, and we are just getting started.
A final project right hand. The final product is now available for consumers.
Consumers trust high-quality production processes.
Tomato sauce is widely used in daily cooking.
This shows the rich texture and quality of the sauce.
From farm to factory, every step is carefully controlled.
Automation improves speed and accuracy in production.
Hygiene is strictly maintained at all stages.
We reduce waste by recycling materials efficiently.
Energy efficiency is key in modern production.
This facility produces large quantities daily.
Products are prepared for global distribution.
We ensure safe and efficient transport.
Products reach markets worldwide.
Efficient logistics ensure timely delivery.
In proprietary store, retail profiles. We produce various options to meet consumer needs.
Branding reflects quality and trust.
Customer satisfaction is our priority.
We continuously improve production methods.
Modern factories combine technology and precision.
As we close this chapter, I want to emphasize our commitment to innovation. This facility is a testament to what we can achieve together.